हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम ऑल ऑफ यू इन माय यूट्यूब चैनल रुद्रा स्टडी सर्कल। मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल रुद्रा स्टडी सर्कल में आप लोगों का स्वागत है। इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू सॉल्व टू प्रॉब्लम्स बेस्ड ऑन लाइन इंटीग्रल। इन माय प्रीवियस वीडियो आई हैव गिवन द concept of line integral and solve one problem. So here we'll solve two problem. One is the based on that Cartesian coordinate, using Cartesian coordinate, and second one using the parametric equation. Okay, so you know that if f is the given vector and c is the, if c is any curve, okay, c is any curve, then integral, if c is any curve, so integral f dot dr along the contour c is called line integral. Okay, called line integral. Fine. So the question is given, find the line integral, find the line integral of f is a vector given x square plus xyi plus x square plus y square j along the curve c, along the curve c, where c is the square bounded by x equal to plus minus 1, y equal to plus minus 1. So here c is the one square bounded by x equal to plus minus 1, y equal to plus minus 1. Okay, so we'll find out. First we'll see what is this square. So if this is the coordinate axis, so this is your x equal to 1 line, right? This is your x equal to minus 1 line. So I can write here, and y, this is your y equal to 1, and this is your y equal to minus 1. Fine. I can write here also, this is y equal to minus 1, y equal to 1, this is x equal to minus 1 line, and x equal to 1 line. So this is a square, right? So if I take that a, b, c, d, if I put the name of this corner of this square, so what is the a coordinate? A coordinate will be minus 1, minus 1. A coordinate is minus 1, minus 1. What is the b coordinate? B coordinate is 1 comma minus 1. Fine. What is the c coordinate? 1 comma 1. What is d coordinate? Minus 1 comma 1. Fine. So this is the square. We need to find the line integral about this square. So what we do? Line integral we know, f dot dr and along the curve c. So this will be your, if this is the f1 I plus f2j, so we have f1 I plus f2j dot I dx plus j dy. So this will be your along the curve c. So f1 dx plus f2 dy along the curve c. So what is this curve? You see, this is the boundary of this square. So the line integral along this square will be sum of 4 integral. One is along the AB, then along the BC, along the CD, along the DA. So this is your line integral along this square. So this C will be your sum of AB plus BC plus CA CD plus DA. So we need to find the 4 integral. Let us see one by one how to find out. Okay, so what is this f1 dx plus f2 dy? I will write here. Your f1 is x square plus xy dx plus f2 is x square plus y square dy. So we are going to find this integral along all the 4 lines. Let us see one by one. along AB, right? Along AB, what is that? If you see along AB, so your y equal to -1, right? Y is fixed here along, see, y equal to -1, y is fixed here. So dy will be 0. And what is your x limit? X limit will be, you can see, -1 to +1. -1 to +1. So this integral will be along this AB, x square plus xy dx, and dy will be 0, right? For the along AB, dy 0, so this will put 0, so we get this one along this, fine, because dy, you can see here, dy is the 0 along this AB, so this will be your integral. Along the AB, what is that? X square and y equal to -1, so minus x dx, and x limit from -1 to 1. So this is the integral about the line AB. So we get x cube by 3 minus x square by 2 minus 1 to 1, and if you substitute that upper limit minus lower limit, so we get 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2. So we get 1 by 2 will be cancelled, so we get 2 by 3. So along the AB we are getting 2 by 3. Fine, clear? Okay, let us see some second line. Along BC, what is happening? Your x equal to 1, so dx will be 0. And what is your y limit? Y limit -1 to +1, So this integral along this BC, if you take, so dx will be 0, right? So this part will be 0, so we get only this one, x square plus y square dy. Dx is 0 along the BC because x is constant. So, and what is the x here? X equal to 1, so we get 1 plus y square dy, and y limit is -1 to 1. So this will be your y plus y cube by 3 from -1 to 1. So if you solve that, so we get 1 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 minus 1 by 3. So we get 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 plus 1 by 3. So we get 2 plus 2 by 3. So 8 by 3. So along the BC we are getting 8 by 3. Okay, let us see along that CD. Along the CD, so CD, what is happening? Your y equal to 1, dy will be 0, and x limit will be from 1 to -1. Fine. So this integral along CD will be dy 0. Dy 0 means this only this is 0. We get this term only, x square plus xy dx. Fine. Now CD, so y equal to 1 here, so we get x square plus x dx limit from 1 to -1. Let us see, integrate, we get x cube by 3 plus x square by 2 1 to -1. So this we get the -1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2. So we get 1 by 3, 1 by -2 by 3, right? By 2, yeah. So this 1 by 2 will cancel, we get -2 by 3. So -2 by 3. Let us see along the DA, last line. Along the DA, so what is happening? Your x equal to -1, so dx will be 0, and your y limit will be 1 to -1. Fine. So here dx will be 0 along this DA, so only we get the dy part along this dA. So we get x square plus y square dy, and x equal to -1. So we get 1 plus y square dy, and y limit from 1 to -1. So we get y plus y cube by 3 from 1 to -1. So we get -1 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 plus 1 by 3. So we get minus 8 by 3. So minus 8 by 3. So the line integral along this square will be sum of all four integral along this AB plus along the BC plus along the CD plus along the DA. So along the AB we are getting 2 by 3 plus 8 by 3 minus 2 by 3 minus 8 by 3 equal to 0. So the line integral is 0 along this square of this given vector field. Okay, let us take the another problem, and second problem I will try to solve using the parametric equation. Let us see. So your question is given, find the line integral y square dx minus x square dy along the curve C, where C is the triangle bounded by the triangle whose vertices are 1 0 0 1 and minus 1 comma 0. So this triangle is given. So what we do, first we find the triangle. So what is that point? 1 comma 0, this is the point. Minus 1 comma 0, this is the point. 0 comma 1, this is the point. So this is the triangle, right? Yes. A, B, C. Your A coordinate is minus 1 comma 0, B coordinate is 1 comma 0, and C coordinate is 0 comma 1. So this line integral will be sum of integral along three lines. So it will be integral along AB plus BC plus CA. Fine. Okay. So we'll see one by one. So I'll tell you how to write the parametric equation. Suppose we have one line, its coordinate is A, this coordinate is B. Let us take A equal to A1, A2 and B equal to B1, B2. So that coordinate R will be A plus B minus A into T. This is your XY equal to, what is the A equal to A1, A2 plus B minus A. So B minus A means B1 minus A1 comma B2 minus A2 T. So X equal to A1 plus B1 minus A1 T, Y equal to A2 plus B2 minus A2 T. Okay. So let us see for this problem along this AB. So A coordinate is minus 1 comma 0 and B coordinate is 1 comma 0. So what is that parametric equation? A plus B minus A. B minus means 1 minus minus 1, 2 comma 0 minus 0, 0 T. So this is your XY equal to minus 1 plus 2t comma 0. So x equal to minus 1 plus 2t and y equal to 0. Y equal to 0 means dy equal to 0. Fine. Then this integral y square dx minus x square dy along this AB. So what is happening? Here y is 0. So this term is 0. Dy is 0. This term is 0. So along this AB your answer is 0. Fine, clear? Okay. So this answer is coming 0. Let us see along the BC. Find out the BC. So BC will be, B coordinate is 1, 0, C coordinate is 0, 1. So your R will be A plus B minus A. So 0 minus 1, minus 1, 1 minus 0, 1, T. So your XY will be 1 minus T and T. 1 minus T and T, 0 plus T. So your X equal to 1 minus T and Y equal to T. Fine. Now what is the dx? Dx will be minus dt and dy will be the dt. Dx equal to minus dt and dy equal to dt. This is your along BC. Fine. Okay. So, and what is the t limit? So here t equal to y, and what is the y limit? 0 to 1. So your y limit is 0 to 1. So your t limit will be 0 to 1 because y equal to t. So this integral y square means t square and dx equal to minus dt minus x square means 1 minus t whole square into dy means dt and limit 0 to 1. So simplify. So we get minus t square minus 1 minus t square and plus 2t dt. So we get integral 0 to 1 and 2t minus 2t square minus 1 dt. Fine. Integral 0 to 1 minus 2t square plus 2t minus 1. Fine. So your answer will be, if you simplify, so we get answer minus 2 by 3. Let us check that. So we get t square minus 2 into t cube by 3 minus t 0 to 1. So it will be 1 minus 2 by 3 minus 1 and lower limit is 0. So we get minus 2 by 3. So along the BC minus 2 by 3. Fine. Now let us see along the CA. Along the CA. So CA, your C coordinate is 0, 1, A coordinate is minus 1, 0. So your R will be A plus B minus A. So minus 1 minus 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1 minus 1 T. So your XY equal to minus 1, 1 minus T. So your minus T. Yeah, minus T, 1 minus T. Okay. So your X equal to minus T and Y equal to 1 minus T. So your dx will be minus dt and dy will be your minus dt. Fine. Your dx will be minus dt and dy will be also minus dt. Fine. Now what is that integral? Let us see. Integral y square. So y square means 1 minus t whole square and dx will be minus dt minus x square means t square and dy means minus dt. And what is this t limit? So here x equal to minus t. So what is x limit? X limit is 0 to minus 1, 0 to minus 1 and t equal to minus x. So your t limit will be 0 to 1, 0 to 1. Fine. Let us see 0 to 1 and here we have minus t. So we get minus 1 minus t square plus 2t. Fine. And here we have plus t square dt. So t square cancel. If you integrate, we get the minus t plus t square 0 to 1. So we get 0. So along the CA we are getting 0. So your answer will be, finally your answer will be answer will be 0 minus 2 by 3 plus 0 equal to minus 2 by 3. So this was line integral using the parametric equation. Okay. Now we have like application of line integral. So suppose we have a force vector F and one particle is at the A point. After applying this force, it is moving somewhere B. So your AB is the displacement, right? So the work done by this force vector will be force into displacement F into AB. F into AB, force into displacement. So in the integral form, let us have, this is a small delta R. So if your particle is moving from this distance, so F into your delta R. So if you want from A to B, so we'll have the integral force into displacement from A to B. So this is the force work done by the force F by displacement the particle from A to B. Okay. So this line integral is applicable for finding the work done by force vector F into dr. I'll take one question. Question is find the work done by F. F equal to, I have 3xy I minus 5z j and plus 10xk. Force vector is given along the curve, x equal to, parametric equation is given of the curve, x equal to t square plus 1 comma y equal to 2t square, y equal to 2t square, z equal to tq from t equal to 1 to 2. T equal to 1 to 2. What is the question? We need to find the work done by this force vector along the curve where parametric equation of x equal to t square plus 1, y equals to 2t square, z equal to tq and t vary from 1 to 2. Okay. So the work done will be your F into dr, fine, along the curve C. Now if this is the F1, if this is the F2 and this is the F3, so what is this work done? It will be your F1 dx plus F2 dy plus F3 dz, fine. Now let us change in the parametric equation. So F1 equal to 3xy dx plus F2 equal to minus 5z dy plus F3 is the 10x dz, fine. Now in the place of x will put t square plus 1. So what is your dx? Dx will be 2t dt. What is the dy? Dy will be the 4t dt and dz will be 3t square dt. Let us see. So this will be your 3x equal to t square plus 1 and y equal to 2t square and dx equal to 2t dt, fine. First term. Second term, minus 5z. So minus 5z, z equal to tq and dy equal to 4t dt, fine, 4t dt plus tan into x equal to t square plus 1 and dz equal to 3t square dt and t limit from 0 to 1, fine. Okay. So if you simplify this, so I have the answer will get 1 to 2. If you simplify, so we get 12 t power 5 plus 10 t power 4 plus 12 t cube plus 30t square dt, and if you integrate and simplify, so your answer will be 303. So this is your work done by force vector along that curve from t equal to 1 to 2. Thank you very much for watching my video. So I have completed the line integral. So next video we will meet for surface integral. Thank you very much. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.